Kamay sa likod, yan. And then pakisarado po ako ng iyong mga hita. There. Okay. So this time, ladies, we're gonna be playing a game. Iikot lamang kayo kay Sir. Pagtigil ng tugtog, kung sino makakuha ng garter out of the game. So it's gonna be stop dance DJ. Alright, so again, pag-tigil ng tugtog, kung sino makakuha ng garter out of the game. Okay, so let's play. Oh, by the way, before we proceed, would like to acknowledge Sir Honorable Mikey Miranda. Isang magandang hapon po. Alright, so let's have our game for our single ladies. And iikot lamang po kayo kay Sir DJ Music. Sayawin niyo naman kami. Ano si Cleta at magaling na tumakbo? Okay, ready, go! Alright! Parang dinig-dinig ka naman, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, dalawa na lang kayo.